Hey guys, what was your favorite part about a visit with Mimi?
My favorite part was when we went down to the park.
Uh-huh. The stories, the books, and the park.
My favorite part was hugging Mimi.
Oh, you think you want to give her one more?
That would be my other favorite part.
Oh, in the world.
Mom, now I have two favorite parts.
That is awesome. We are all so lucky.
I have one.
What?
That's all of it.
Oh, that's so nice. That was my favorite.
You can't
Aw.
have me.